Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make your very own pterodactyl from the Usborne book of Make Your Own Origami Dinosaurs. Until you're familiar with the model, I suggest using just a plain white sheet of paper and start with a square. Step 1, fold it in half diagonally and unfold. Step 2, fold it in half the other way. Then fold the raw edge up to about 1/3. Flip it over and fold the whole thing in half. Then turn it around, fold the wings up, leaving a little triangle right here. And repeat on the other side. And then fold this edge, this top layer up to the edge here. And bring this out, and fold it up again. Then you're going to make a crease from here to where this ends, where these edges meet. Then repeat those steps on the other side. Fold this up to the edge. And bring this out and fold it up again. And make the crease. Then fold this tip up here, about here. Then do on the other side. Then open this up from the bottom and reverse that fold. Like that. And then bring it back out, and bring out the very first layer on both sides. Then you're going to make that reverse fold with just the inner part. And bring those layers back up. And then you're going to make folds from here down to here, and then just slightly over a bit. Here and here, and on the other side. Here and here. You're going to use those folds to do a back and forth. Same on the other side. Back and forth. So now it's pointing down a bit. Then you're going to fold up the feet. And fold them back down again. And then fold down the wings along there. Then with your fingers you're gonna curve the wings. Curve the wings down, then up. So they look more like wings. So that is how you make your very own pterodactyl.